Ever wondered what the difference between LAN, WAN and a subnet is? Well, let's break it down. First, we have the local area network, or LAN. This is a network of interconnected devices within a relatively small geographic area, like a single building or campus. LANs have limited geographical coverage, but they make up for it with robust data transfer rates, often running from 10 megabits per second to a gigabit per second or more. The beauty of a LAN is that it's typically owned and managed by a single organization, and it leverages common technologies like Ethernet and Wi-Fi. Then there's the wide area network, or WAN. Picture a network that spans a larger geographical area, connecting LANs or other networks across cities, states, countries, or even continents. That's a WAN. It offers extensive geographical coverage, but at a cost of lower data transfer rates, usually less than 10 megabits per second. The complexity of a WAN is that it's often composed of multiple interconnected LANs and network devices, managed by multiple organizations and service providers. WANs rely on various technologies including leased lines, MPLs, and the Internet itself. Now let's dive into the world of subnets or subnetworks. Imagine taking a larger network and dividing it into smaller, more manageable segments. That's what a subnet does. It's created by partitioning an IP address range or network into smaller segments. Devices within the same subnet share a common network address prefix. Subnetting offers better control of network traffic and enhances security by segmenting the network. Let's recap the key differences. LANs have a limited geographic scope, often within a building or campus, while WANs cover larger areas, including cities or even global distances. LANs offer higher data transfer rates compared to WANs, which are constrained by the limitations of long-distance communication. LANs are typically owned and managed by a single organization, while WANs involve multiple organizations and service providers. And subnets? They're smaller divisions of a network created for organizational or traffic management purposes. So, next time you hear LAN, WAN, or subnet, you'll know exactly what they mean and how they differentiate from each other. Stay tuned for more networking